Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's look at Bitcoin. I did enter long this morning on Bitcoin, and this is what I put out to my trading group. A measure move is $89,000 out of this bull. This is more like, yeah, bull pennant here on the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin. The 1 hour time frame also above the 200 moving hours. That was another reason I entered the long, is because the 1 hour is above it. Anytime I see the 1 hour get above the 200, then I look for the 2 hour to do the same thing. I've talked about this so many times. So the next stop for Bitcoin eventually in due time is 85,200. That might take a while. It is a weekend. Sometimes Bitcoin does not like to pump on weekends, or sometimes it likes to pump hard on weekends, and there's really no in between. If there is, so usually we don't just go sideways on weekends. Either you don't pump at all, or you pump hard. You don't get small moves. So it's likely at this point Bitcoin gets a move above 85K. We'll see what happens. This is a very quick update before I go live tonight at 11 p.m. Central Time. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And if you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is in the description below. Again, I'll be live tonight at 11 p.m. Central Time. I'm looking for a small move up here on Bitcoin, with the measure move ultimately being 89,000. Bookmap also suggests that we can get, well, actually it doesn't. It doesn't have any liquidity above us. It's all below us. So be cautious. Usually that is right in due time, but that doesn't mean, well, I didn't look at that, so hopefully that's inaccurate, but usually that is right more times than it's not. So we'll see what happens. The fact you're above the 1 hour 200 and you're in a flag is bullish to me, so I'm going to stay in the long, and I'll leave it at that. I entered my long at 84,120, so again, hardly in any profits. It has really taken its time. I've been in this trade now 8 hours, and it's really not done much, but it really hasn't lost 84K. So in the last 8 hours, Bitcoin has done basically nothing. So it's due for a little bit of a move to the upside, I would say. We'll see what happens, but that's kind of what I'm calling for tonight. You have to understand the forward time frame is overbought, so it's higher risk as well, especially with Bookmap being against you. But I'm in the trade nonetheless, and we'll see what happens. I have an odd feeling about this, that this is going to pump, but I don't go on feelings. But usually anytime I see a flag and you're above key moving averages, it's so bullish. It just is. I just get this tingly feeling when something's about to happen, and I'm getting it right now. So we'll see what happens. I'm not calling for a massive pump, but at least a $1,000 move to the upside would be nice for Bitcoin. It'd be very healthy for the market as well. We'll see what happens, but that's what I got. See you guys at the live stream, 11 p.m. Central Time tonight. Cheers, and have a great